Hey, hello, welcome along to Sheds Direct Ireland's video page. Today we'll be looking at our brand new pop-up stool, seeing how to use it and giving you lots of reasons why you should get one. Okay, let's begin. This super easy to use stool is straight out of the box, ready to go. You can see it has its nice little carry handle here on the side, and you've also got some little portholes for opening. But before you get to the opening, you'll need to turn the off switch, you may be able to see it here, to the on switch. It's literally a little flick like this and you should hear pop. Once that's done, you can then put your fingers into the portholes and rotate out. Once that's done, you have a nice sturdy chair. Okay, so the great thing about this is that it will support an awful lot of weight. You can push and push and push all you want, but you're not going to get that to go down without unlocking it. To unlock it is very simple. Simply put your fingers back into the portholes that you had here earlier on and pull them apart. This will unlock the teeth. You can see them there, they've come apart, and you just need to rotate your hands in the alternative version that you did earlier on, and then at the very end just click it back into the off position. Once that's done, you won't be able to open your chair. Simple as that. So this thing is 45 centimeters top to bottom when it's open, it is 6.5 centimeters top to bottom when it's closed, and it is 25 centimeters in diameter. In old money, that's 17.5 inches tall when it's open, it's 2.5 inches tall when it's closed, and it's 9.75 inches in diameter. It weighs exactly 1 kilogram. It has a nice texture top finish here, and it's got these little kind of plastic grooves which will give it a little extra traction to stop it sliding on hard surfaces. It's a simple piece of kit, it's easy to use, and it's perfect for festivals, gardening, long walks, hikes. It simply pops over the shoulder with your nice strap here, and it's ready to go. Thanks very much for your time. Don't forget to check out the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel. Our website, of course, again, is shedsdirectireland.com, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, find us on Facebook or tweet at us.